Hello everyone, welcome to DriveZPresso demo video. DriveZPresso is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet or computer. You can use DriveZPresso on your computer or mobile device to securely upload files and edit them online. DriveZPresso also make it easy for others to edit and collaborate on files. This is the DriveZPresso dashboard interface. You will be able to edit your profile and change your password from the profile section. In this section, you will be able to see your uploaded files. In this section, you will get files if anyone share with you anything. In the recent section, you will get all the files that you have worked on recently. In the shared section, you will get all star marked files. In the trash section, you will get all deleted files. If you want, you can delete them permanently or you can restore them again. You will be able to create new folder from here. After creating the folder, you can upload this kind of files: images, audio file, video file, PDF file, text document like Word file and Excel file, and zip file. Video file must be MP4 format and audio file must be MP3 format. You can share those files by shareable link. Also, you can set the expiration date, password protection, edit access and download access. You will be able to create new workplace for yourself or your member and share with them the access from here. The main benefit of DriveZPresso is unlimited cloud storage forever. Set it and forget it. Thank you.